In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to Pandadoc. This is a quick setup that allows Pandadoc to access files stored in your Dropbox account, so you can easily work with documents from one place. To begin, open Pandadoc in your browser. Once you are on the Pandadoc dashboard, look for the option to create a new document. You will see a button or link that says plus create new. Go ahead and click that, because this is where Pandadoc will ask you what type of item you want to make and which source you want to use. After you click plus create new, you should see an area where you can choose a file source. Find the option that reads select file, and notice there is a drop-down arrow next to it. Click the drop-down arrow labeled select file, because this will show different integrations and storage services that Pandadoc can connect to. From the list in that drop-down, select Dropbox. This step is important because it tells Pandadoc that you want to bring in files from your Dropbox account, rather than starting from a blank template. Once you choose Dropbox from the drop-down menu, Pandadoc will move you to the connection flow. Next, click Connect to Dropbox. This action starts the linking process between Pandadoc and your Dropbox storage. Take a moment here to make sure you click the correct button, since this determines whether the connection request is sent. Now you will be prompted to sign in to your Dropbox account. On the Sign In page, enter your Dropbox credentials through the standard Dropbox sign-in form. For security, make sure you only type your information on the official Dropbox page that appears during this process. When you see the sign-in form, complete it so Pandadoc can access your Dropbox storage. After you sign in, there will be an authorization step. You need to click Allow to grant permission for Pandadoc to connect to your Dropbox account. This is the final gate in the setup, and it ensures Pandadoc is allowed to read the files it needs based on the connection you are creating. Once you click Allow, give the page a moment to complete the connection. Depending on your browser settings and account status, Pandadoc may refresh or return you back to the document creation screen. At this point, Pandadoc should recognize your Dropbox account as connected, which means you can proceed with selecting or using files from Dropbox during your Pandadoc workflow. If you do not see the connection reflected immediately, look for a connected status or any indication that Pandadoc is ready to browse your Dropbox files. That reassurance is helpful because it confirms the permission step completed successfully. Now you are finished with the integration setup. You can return to creating your document in Pandadoc and use your Dropbox files as part of the process. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.